Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix the drivers for this device are not installed code 28 Ethernet controller. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Problematic Network Adapter or any other device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Find problematic network adapter name. Open any browser, type problematic network adapter name in browser search bar. Download and install network adapter driver from manufacturer website. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.